How to access Eventbrite analytics. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to access Eventbrite analytics. In order to access the analytics, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. And then to begin with, first of all, go and open up a browser, and then on the web address bar go and type in eventbrite.com/organization. And when you do that, it's going to take you to the official page. Here, go ahead and press the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and here you'll need to go ahead and click on the reporting tab from the left hand side bar of your screen. So then it's going to take you to the reporting bar or the reporting page, where you can see a lot of options, and accordingly there are a lot of bars on top. So you can go to the analytics section by tapping on it, and when you do that, it's going to take you to the analytics settings, and here it's going to be updated every minute. So that's basically how you can go and access your analytic on Eventbrite. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.